Nobody likes when they have to do roof repairs. There's a lot of bad roofers. There's a lot of contractors. You're going to get estimates all over the map. Don't worry. I know how it is. So today I'm going to give you 5 tips to get the best roof repair estimate today. Tip number 1, roof age. Knowing your roof's age can go a long way. It can determine whether or not you need a roof repair or a roof replacement. If you're not sure how old your roof is, a good rule of thumb is to know that roofs generally last about 30 years. Tip number 2, know the materials ahead of time. If you know what type of material you want for your roofing system, this can allow you to get basic pricing ahead of time. Will put you ahead of the game. Tip number 3, do research. Ask your neighbors and friends about who they used for their roofing work. Then research the companies and create a short list of potential contractors to do work on your roof. Tip number 4, review references. After you've nailed your list of potential roof contractors, check their website and look at their recent work and look for references. Also, check their Google and Yelp reviews, as they can be a good source to find out how good their work actually is. Tip number 5, get several estimates. Don't marry yourself to one roofer. Get several estimates and compare how they break down their cost and how they line up with your budget. Also, there's one thing I need to add. Make sure that the roofer you hire is an actual roofer. Seriously, make sure that they have a roofing license. It's different than a business license, and it's very important. It means that they are qualified to do the roof. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. See you next time, and take care.